Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Subaru Crosstrek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs. Okay, so let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, move the latch to the left, raise it up and secure it. Okay, alright, let's start with passenger side. Okay, so in order to change the headlight bulbs we will have to remove this plastic housing. So how do we do this? We take a flathead screwdriver and try to remove the middle piece here. Okay, so just hold the bottom and get out the middle. Okay, and that's how you get out the clip. Same thing goes here. Okay, so I'm gonna spin this thing, need two hands, get the middle out. Okay, once you have both clips out, you should be able to just get this plastic out. Right? Now we have access to our bulbs. Okay, so I believe this is the high beam and this is the low beam right here. And now to get out the bulb, this is going to be the same procedure like this, so I'm going to show you on this one. So you just, first of all, what you can do, there are two options. You either disconnect the connector, it's up to you. Disconnect the connector first. Okay, so to do that you have to press here, okay, press here, and then pull off. Okay, and then you have the bulb here. So just spin the bulb, and get it out. Once you're done, you have the new bulb, just put it back in, and the same way put in the connector. Okay, same thing is here, it's just this is a little bit less space, but it's the same thing. In this case you might just get the bulb out first and then disconnect the connector. After this you just put this plastic piece in. Okay, make sure you align these holes and put the clips back in. Okay, so and then just put clips back in. Now driver's side is a little bit different. You can either remove this filler neck, okay, from here, or you remove the battery. Okay, I have a video how to remove the battery, so if you want you can just take a look at it, and it should help you to get your hand in and change the bulbs if you have to. Otherwise, for me, I can just get it from here. Okay, just take it, spin it, remove it, and do the same procedure we did before. So this is it. This is pretty much it. I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.